Hey,
It's so easy.
you guys sought to install Hitch tow bar. Realize
Really
that this
easy
is,
install.
rather than hiring or a shop, money saving for a gas, or go to your children events such as
Disney's,
or Magic Mountain or any other amusement parks. How cool. Anyway, back to the point. Let me show you Kurt tow bar 2 to be installed for bikes rack in time for
Our next
trips. We've been driving. It's nearly
300
transferred
miles.
to RAV4. Useful. Simply back. It's hybrid. All utility yet isn't installed. Hence, let me show. The tools needed. Let's go. Remove the underbody panel. Remove using a 17mm socket muffler held by one rubber hanger to the washer. A 19mm socket. Reinstall exhaust. I recently display tow hitch installation except underbody panel. Need to modify underbody panel. Install it. Round hitch. (2 inches receiver, 12.5